Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are absolutely safe and you're taking care of yourself. My name is Bhavya Gajawat and you're watching Be Art Studios. Be Art Studio is all about being creative, being unique and being yourself. And as you have already read the title, yes, we are doing a makeover again, but this time it's an old coffee table and we are going to transform it by very old form of art, mosaic. It's very beautiful. We are going to break some tiles and you can come up with great ideas, but today we are going to use the simplest technique and हम वही मटेरियल यूज़ करेंगे जो मोस्टली हमारे घर पे अवेलेबल रहते हैं. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First we'll start by removing all the paint and repairing our old coffee table. And if you want to see how I'm repairing an old furniture in detail, you can check out my first video. The link will be given in the description below. Now just grab some old tiles and after cleaning and drying them, we'll start breaking tiles. While breaking, keep the tiles in between a cloth or a towel so that we don't hurt ourselves in the process. And be careful while holding a broken tile because the top of the tile is like a broken glass. And if you don't want a cut on your finger like me, wear gloves, guys. And keep the color of your tiles separately. It will be a lot easier when you will be placing them on the table. Here comes the most fun part. I have arranged my tiles in 3 different patterns. And guys, here you can go more creative and arrange your mosaic tiles according to your taste. I think this one looks great. I really like the idea of birds flying with blue tiles. It's kind of refreshing. And let me know in the comment section which one you like the most. And before pasting, find the center point. This will really help when you'll place your tiles on the table. To paste the tiles, I'm using Fevicol Marine. It was waterproof and it was available in my house, so I'm using this. You can use Sillicon, Fevitite, other glue which suits your tiles. I'm thinking we should go with blue color on the legs and white on the top. So on the line I just draw, I'll start placing my birds first. And guys, I know it's not a proper shape, but here we are just giving an idea about the design we are going for. In mosaic, we'll just have to pick the triangle side and see it fits properly between the other tile we just pasted. And yeah, if you are wondering, it's like a puzzle game. It's little time consuming, but it was really fun. And the pasting work is done. I'm really happy about the design. It turned out really well. Here comes the messy part. I'm using Birla white cement and I think 1 kg will be more than sufficient for my table. We just have to mix it up with some water and don't add too much water. We just want paste-like consistency. This is the consistency we are going for, and once you get that, we are good to go. I'm cutting a cardboard for removing extra cement. We'll use this after applying cement. Before that, I'm applying cement around the tiles. I'm spreading it down Make sure you don't leave any gap between the tiles. On the very next day, we'll remove the extra cement. I'm using light sandpaper. You can also use kitchen sponge. And guys, make sure cement is properly removed and dry. It's a beautiful day, and before it rains, let's start painting our coffee table. Here I am mixing turpentine oil in white oil color. And because I don't have a paint tray, I am using plastic box cover for rolling my roller. If you don't have a roller, you can also use paintbrush. So guys, I'm already loving how it's turning out. My first coat dries out very quickly in an hour or two. For my second coat, we'll take a glass and add dark blue color. And then I'm mixing it with white color. And now we are having a lighter shade, which perfectly goes with our blue tiles. So there you have it guys. I really hope you enjoyed coming along on this coffee table transformation with me. I really loved everything I shared today. I hope you liked it too, and I hope it was a little bit informational and it gives you a boost to go and transform one of your own furniture. And if it did, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a brand new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link will be given in the description box. I'm going to post a really cool reel there. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you next time.